Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently delete your LearnWorlds school? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently delete your LearnWorlds account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common for you to switch over to a new provider. So maybe you want to go ahead and permanently delete your school in LearnWorlds. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order to permanently delete your LearnWorlds, it's not anything that happens immediate. They do have a delay period, and that way, if you decide to change your mind, you can come back and recover your school, but that usually takes about 60 days. Also, you cannot permanently delete your school if you have a paid subscription, so you would need to cancel the paid subscription before it goes into deletion. So in order to permanently delete your school, what you're going to do is here on the left side, you're going to hover over My Account down here on the bottom right. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of your schools here on the top. Make sure you've chosen the correct school that you want to permanently delete. Once you've chosen that, go ahead and click on Account and Billing. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the plan that you have. So for this one, you can see I have the starter plan. And in order to permanently delete the school, scroll up here to the top left and then click on this back arrow. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 menu options here at the top. You want to click on Subscriptions. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your current plan. Once again, you can see I'm on the starter, and you just want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this turquoise button here, Cancel Subscription. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up right here. So they do let you know that cancellation will be effective at the end of the current billing cycle. So basically, it's going to stop from rebilling. I'm not getting any kind of refund for anything I've already paid, but it's not going to bill anything in the future. And here they let you know that 60 days after the cancellation takes effect, which is at the end of the billing cycle, this account's going to be permanently deleted. So you want to go ahead and choose one of these options, other option, and then click on Cancel My Account. Okay, next they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to cancel your account? Go ahead and click on No, I still want to cancel. Okay, here they're going to give you an option, so you can go ahead and put your account on hold. So that drops it down to $10 per month. So that could change from time to time. So basically what happens is your website's going to stay online. You won't be able to edit any content. It just basically holds your data for the school that you've created in LearnWorlds. So that's an option if you want to do that. For me, I'm going to go ahead and click on Delete My Account. Okay, here they ask you to go ahead and confirm. Are you sure you want to cancel your subscription and also delete your school account and all of your data? Click on Yes, delete my data. Okay, next you're going to get this confirmation. So they let me know that I have my school active until this date, which is the end of my billing cycle. So my students will still be able to access my school up until that date. After that date right here, basically I won't be able to add any users. My users won't be able to access the school. And then after this date, 60 days, all of your account data would be deleted. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently delete your school inside of LearnWorlds, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.